What's up, YouTube? This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today we're going to take a look at Lido Dao. Now, this series should be over since Lido Dao hit new all-time highs, but I'll still cover Lido Dao as I think this will be a double-digit cryptocurrency before the bull market ends. Lido Dao has already hit a new all-time high, and the Bitcoin halving hasn't even arrived yet. Moving into the analysis, Lido Dao broke out of a descending channel, which is very bullish, and Lido Dao continues to close above all the key daily and weekly moving averages, which is bullish as well. So today we are going on DeFi Llama to showcase Lido Dao's dominance when it comes to liquid staking. Just a quick recap from previous Lido Dao episodes, one of Lido Dao's main value propositions is to provide liquidity to staked Ethereum. Traditional staking requires a lockup period, meaning user funds are inaccessible for a set amount of time. By using Lido Dao, users can stake Ethereum without losing liquidity, allowing users to trade or use their assets. Taking a look at some key metrics, we can see that Lido Dao is the dominant cryptocurrency when it comes to liquid staking. Rocket Pool is Lido Dao's main competitor. When it comes to TVL, or total value locked, we can see that Lido Dao's total value locked is at $20.9 billion, as opposed to Rocket Pool's TVL, which is at $2.47 billion. In regards to market share, Lido Dao's market share is at 74.9%, as opposed to Rocket Pool's market share, which is only at 8.8%. To illustrate Lido Dao's dominance, if we scroll up to the pie chart, we can see that Lido Dao in blue is kicking every competitor's ass, and it's not even close. I still don't see many crypto and finance YouTubers talking about Lido Dao, which is very bullish in my opinion. You do not want a lot of people to talk about the cryptocurrency you're investing in. Cryptocurrency is never about the community. At the end of the day, market makers don't want retail investors to make any money, so the less people who talk about Lido Dao, the better. Shifting gears to the Elliott wave count, nothing has changed from the last episode. Just a quick recap, we're tracking a bullish 1-2-1-2 setup with the target of wave 3 and minor degree at the 1.618 trend-based fib extension at $12.61. Now zooming into some smaller time frames, the target of wave 3 and minute degree is also at the 1.618 trend-based fib extension at $5.62. Moving into some indicators, starting with the RSI, Lido Dao's weekly RSI has officially entered the overbought region with a weekly RSI reading at 76.34. There is no bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, as both the RSI and price made higher highs than the previous pivot. Taking a look at the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, back when Lido Dao was trading inside the bullish descending channel pattern, the Bollinger Bands were very tight and restricted. And once Lido Dao broke out of the descending channel pattern, the Bollinger Bands started expanding. Today, Lido Dao is tagging the upper bound of the Bollinger Bands, indicating that 1, volatility is high, and 2, Lido Dao is overbought in the short term. This does not mean that price will immediately reverse to the downside. Moving over to the MACD, same story with the RSI. There is no bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, as both the signal line and the histogram are making higher highs compared to the previous pivot. Closing things off with the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation, the bullish signals are pretty much identical to the bullish signals that happened in December of 2022. In both cases, Lido Dao broke out of a bullish falling wedge. The only difference is that instead of a weekly Morningstar reversal pattern in December of 2022, today we have a weekly bullish engulfing candle. Price still remains above the blue Fibonacci retracement support area. Remember that if the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation pushes higher in the bull markets, that means Lido Dao will outperform Bitcoin. As we spoke about in episode 2, Lido Dao's price action is really starting to remind me of Manic in the last bull market. Obviously, the returns won't be identical, but as stated before, I really don't think you'll care when Lido Dao is at double digits before the bull market ends. Okay, so that's my analysis on Lido Dao for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.